Summer is the perfect time to indulge in nature's sweetest offerings. Fresh and delicious fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds but also keep you hydrated and energized. Here are 7 of the best fruits to enjoy during the summer season. 1. Watermelon. Nothing screams summer quite like a juicy slice of watermelon. Packed with water content and electrolytes, this hydrating fruit helps you beat the heat and quench your thirst. 2. Mango. Known as the king of fruits, mangoes are a tropical delight. With their rich, creamy texture and sweet flavor, they transport you to a paradise of sunny beaches and palm trees. 3. Pineapple. Bursting with tropical goodness, pineapples are a true summer staple. They are not only refreshingly sweet but also packed with enzymes that aid digestion and promote a healthy immune system. 4. Berries. From strawberries to blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, summer is the season for these vibrant and antioxidant-rich fruits. These little powerhouses offer a burst of flavor, vitamins, and fiber. 5. Cherries. Cherries are a delightful summer treat with their juicy flesh and bright color. They are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. 6. Peaches. Bite into a juicy, ripe peach, and you'll experience the taste of summer itself. These fuzzy fruits are filled with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, making them a nutritious and delicious choice. 7. Grapes. Whether you prefer the green or red variety, grapes are a fantastic summer snack. They are not only sweet and refreshing but also contain powerful antioxidants that promote heart health.